Om Namaha Shivaya. Here you are saying extremely rarest, pure milky white Lord SUKRAN pearl from Indian Ocean, each 30 carat in weight. It's a pure white, pure milky white. Very rare to see such a pearl. It's collected from the Indian Ocean sea conches. Pure milky white. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. See how pure it is. Each weight 30 carat. Now pearl 1 and second pearl weight. Now I will show the internal structure of the pearl. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. It will be totally amazing and mesmerizing to the internal structure of the pearl. You can see blood red color, and you can see a plain green color, and you can see the god and goddesses ring in this pearl. You can see the god and goddesses ring in this pearl. Now I show the internal structure. First you can see internal structure of this pearl. See, now I see internal structure. You can see the ring, beautiful ring, god and goddesses ring, and dual multi-tone. All is shows the natural of the pearl. It's 100% natural. Internal structure shows the naturality of the pearl with the god and goddesses ring. Now I will show the internal structure of this pearl. See, you can see the blood red color in this. It shows the extreme power of this pearl, Udra pearl. It is very Udra, blood red color, you can see. And it's also naturality and originality of the pearl. So you can feel more energy and extreme power from this extremely very rarest pure milky white Lord SUKRAN conch pearl from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.